is our final day at the Whakapapa Village. We're making a breakfast in this beautiful kitchen. This is the busiest kitchen we've been so far during our trip, but this morning there's actually no one here, so I thought I'm gonna show you a couple of shots to show you the facility. They got heaps of stoves here. So every section's got 4 stoves and 2 sinks, and there's the 4 sections. Lots of tables here, lots of sitting area. They've got all the plates, all the cutleries and everything. There's toasters. If you're doing the Tongariro Alpine crossing, you always get the best weather forecast right on the screen, 2 days ahead. So this shows you the wind, shows you the rain, shows you all the most important information you need for the Tongariro Alpine crossing. So these are the stoves. They have these hot plate stoves with the buttons. These are not my favorite. They're a little bit annoying. It takes time to heat up. But I think what you have to do is just turn the knob here, and then these will activate, and then you set up your temperatures here. So here's the car park section for the campers. This is a long street, everyone's parked on the side of the street, to the left, to the right. You've got some recycling station here. So all of the laundry facilities you see in a campsite in New Zealand, they operated with the coins. It's normally $4 per load. And on this street you've got another section with the car parks for the caravans. There's some cabins located in the bush here. There's a few more sections for the campervans here, and it's sort of the street goes around it. So there's a whole bunch of sites, but I think the sites on this side of the road are a little bit better. So here's the toilet facility. I'm just gonna show you a couple of shots. You have to scan your Kiwi card here, then you can enter. Going back into the kitchen area. So here's a quick tour of the facilities in the Whakapapa Village. Now we're gonna have some breakfast, and we're gonna do our last walk in this area, which will be the Taranaki Falls and the Tama Lakes. That's Tama Lakes, it's only for the volunteers.